Alright, just doing some pre-installation here. We are going to look at the ear pad. You can see on the inside there are some little clips here. There's one right there, and rotate around, another one there, another one there, and then one more right there. And there's a very special clip here. It's this one here. You can see that it looks different. It has two little plastic pieces on the side along with the clip in the middle, whereas the other three look kind of like that. They don't have those plastic pieces on the side. And you use this to align with the headphone here. You can see there's two little slots for those plastic pieces there. And when you rotate around to the other slots, there's just this. So that's how you align the headphones. And basically the ear pad just clips right onto the headphone. Alright, removing the ear pads. This is nice and simple. All you need to do is you can have two options. Number one is you can just use your hands, or number two, you can use a dull table knife if you feel like it. So the easiest way to do this is you're going to grip the outside arm of the headphones here. It is quite sturdy, so you don't have to worry. The ear pads do come off fairly easy, so you're not going to pull too hard. You only need about maybe light to medium force. All you're going to do is hold here like that. That's how I'm doing it. And I'm just going to grab the ear pad like this, and I'm just going to pull. And you can hear it comes off already. If you don't want to do that, you can take your dull knife and you can just put it into the crack here and lift it up. Same thing. Nice and easy.
Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones.
Okay, installing the ear pads. Now, as I showed you earlier, you need to look inside of the ear pad, and you can see there are little clips here. Let's see if we can get the light here. This here is the important clip. It has the two little pieces of plastic on the outside of it. That's the one you're going to use to align to the headphone. And then you have three other clips as you turn around. There's one there. And these three other clips look exactly the same. And then the other one is different. Now, that means when you look on the headphone, you'll see that the headphone has a little gap right here for that clip. Right there. And then another one right there. And then the one that you want to pay attention to is at the back. And that is the one that has the two little slots beside it, right there. So, all you do is align your plastic clip on the ear pad with the plastic slot on the headphone. It doesn't matter which ear pad you use, they're the same. So it can go on either side. And all I'm going to do is look at this and try to align it perfectly in place and just push it down. And now if you want to make sure it's in place, all you can do is just hold the arm and just twist it a bit. And if it wasn't in place, it would slide and then slip into place, and you'd hear it make a little click. But it seems that I have aligned it properly, which means it's into the gap, which is why the ear pad's not moving. So let's try the other side. Found the clip that we want, and here's the back. So I'm just going to align that. Let's do it this way. Okay. Sometimes you'll hear a click when you push it on, sometimes you don't. See, that one was moving a bit because it wasn't aligned, and now it clicked into place. Now in general, the ear pads come off quite easy, like that. So it's not they're not hard to clip on, they're not hard to take off, so there's a possibility they might fall off if you hit them in the wrong way. But they're easy to install and take off as well. Have any questions? Yeah, contact information is down below. Cheers.